Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I think every girl needs that perfect pair of black pumps, and these ones are it.
Meet Carolyn, who is the most beautiful black pump, and they are from Petite Cadeau, which is a means gift, which is so fun because I am obsessed with these heels. They felt like a beautiful gift to me, and I think they are just so stylish and classy. They are really just that elegant heel that every woman needs to have. I love this gold ladybug detail on the bottom. I have mine in a size 9. They are exactly true to size and they go perfect whether you are dressing up in a dress or you just want to elevate a night out with a pair of jeans. These shoes are so comfortable and so classic.
I think these are the perfect shoe to add to your wardrobe. They will go with everything, and they are so comfortable and classy, and that's my point of view.